Time management in IELTS reading. Every IELTS candidate is facing these kinds of problem. For to tackle this problem, I have come up with 2-3 ideas. First one is do questions according to the sequence of the IELTS reading paper. Within few seconds in this same video, I am going to show how to do the questions according to the sequence and how they will help us in IELTS reading and their time management. Okay, second is do not stuck at one difficult question, please move on to the next question. Okay, time management in IELTS reading. It's important to focus on our time management, because if you are not managing your time, then you are going to lose your bands in IELTS. Of course, first important thing is that practice with proper feedback. Of course, but with proper feedback. This is important to follow. This feedback. Practice, of course, you will be doing practice, but without feedback, it is no use. So it's important practice with feedback only. Okay, next point is develop fast reading skill. Develop your fast reading skills with pencils, like pencil or pen, I can say. Like we have here, this is the reading. How I can read it very fastly, like this. You either you put your finger like this, or pen like let me show you how to read that. More than a third of the world's soil is endangered according to a recent UN report. If we don't slow the decline, all formable soil could be gone in 60 years. While reading this kind of reading, always underline or circle the important keywords in the passage. If you are reading it first, if you are reading the whole passage firstly, then you have to underline it. If you are finding the question location of the question, then again you have to read it very fastly with the help of pen or pencil. This will help you in manage your time in IELTS reading. First point is this. Second is the third point we have here, understand the each type of question. Of course, you will be saying now, ma'am, in every video you are always saying understand each type of question. Of course, reading, this is a reading tips, as well as this is the ways or methods how we can manage the time in IELTS reading. Because if you are doing practice but without knowing that understand the each type of questions, you are not going to finish your IELTS reading within time. You will be stuck at one type of question. So before doing practice, please understand the each type of question. Practice for each type of question separately on Google. Of course, you can do it. After that, important is keyword strategies. Of course, this spelling is wrong. You have to understand the importance of keywords in question statements. If you don't know what are the important keywords in question statement, then it will be of no use, because every word is not a keyword. You have to find the important keywords in question statement. Then you can be able to find the location of questions, location and answer of the question. Okay, next is, it's important for writing also, speaking also, as well as IELTS reading. Learn common words and their synonyms, common words. Learn common words, read the common words and try to find their synonyms from the Google. Okay, for example, we can have growth. For the word growth, we can find the word like develop, expansion or development. We can also find development. Development also means the growth of something. Okay. Next important point is do not stuck at one question, at one difficult question. If you are finding it difficult to find the answer for this difficult question, please leave it. Just move on to the next question. Please don't stuck at one question. You are just wasting your time for that question. You may find this difficult questions answer while finding the another question in the same passage. Next important is do questions according to chronological order. Chronological order means sequential order, means whatever the order they have given in the question for the reading passage. Suppose let's look at the example. This is the reading. We have saving the soil. Okay, we have this kind of passages A, B, C, and here we have question type of question. One is complete the summary. Of course, this is in summary. Second type of question, we have complete each sentence with correct ending. Here these are the sentences and the endings here. And the third type of question we have given here is, okay, here this is, which section contains the following information. Okay, now please try to understand. You should always do the questions according to the sequence of question, because let's see it. This type of question, this paragraph we will be finding, we can find, because it is given on the first type of question in the reading passage. You will be finding this paragraph in this paragraph is starting from this here, degradation of the world soil. From here it is starting and till here it is ending. In this paragraph it is ending. After this point we will be finding the answer for the second type of questions. Second type of question, let me show you how. Nutrients contained in the unused parts of the harvested crops. This line is I have found here. Return unused parts of the harvested crops directly to the soil to enrich. Till here we have found the answer of this question, of this complete the summary. After finishing this kind of paragraph, we are getting the clue for these kinds of question here. So, and after finishing this question, here we have finished for this question. We can find this. We have found this question here, 0. Here it is given 0 net land degradation. It means you have to find it. Now you have gone through the whole paragraph and then after this, the third type of question is in this passage. You are able to find these answers very quickly, because till second type of question you have gone through the whole paragraph. Now it's easy to find this question. In this way we have managed time. We have discussed how to manage time for the paragraph. Please follow this. You will get a difference. You will get a difference how you were doing it previously and how you have developed your habits of managing time in IELTS reading. Thank you so much. Thanks.